Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with the Page Sisters.
Yes.
And we are doing a challenge which we are not very ready to do it, but we
I
are.
don't know why I've signed up for this.
None of us
Let's
do.
see.
We're doing the spicy noodle challenge. This is what we found. But we're gonna add in all the spicy ingredients: peri peri powder, peri peri sauce, chili powder, Szechuan,
Chili sauce, all of
everything possible to make it as spicy as possible. Y'all will see that.
Guys, mind you, none of us have spice tolerance. None of
can't.
us.
Yeah, like we really like. I personally like spicy food, but
Yeah, I like it, but I can't.
I
keep
can't
it all
tolerate
the
same. Like I like it, but
I
I can't
need
tolerate.
to keep having something else. But the twist here is, guys, we'll have to whoever finishes a bowl of the noodles first only gets to drink the water.
Oh,
So that's the challenge.
I have
So
to finish it.
let's go make the noodles.
We'll be right back.
Bye. Okay, guys, I don't know if y'all can see, but we are here and we have, I don't know why, garnished it with chili flakes and green chilies.
why are we doing this? She's added. I'll just give you a list: peri peri sauce, peri peri powder, red chili sauce, green chili sauce,
Oh my god.
Tabasco sauce.
Tabasco. This.
It's
so
like
much
we're on a
Tabasco.
suicide
And then
mission.
Maggi masala, and then green chilies to top it all off. Like
Yeah.
it wasn't enough.
I'm so scared. And we have a water bottle ready, so whoever finishes it first gets to drink. And are you ready?
I
Three,
can
This is a
smell
suicide mission.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm scared. I'm nervous.
Oh my holy lord!
I could feel the heat.
That is spicy.
The fact that it's hot is like adding to the spice.
And there's less water because if we add more water,
It won't be spicy.
defines the point. So it's kind of spicy.
You saved me, God.
I mean, it's good.
I mean, yeah, now it's like kind of, it's honestly not that spicy, it's just that it's hot, like that heat. I don't know,
I need the water.
honestly, till now I'm okay, like it's not.
You have a good spice tolerance.
You guys realize it's a competition to get the water right.
Yeah.
For the first time I hope I'll do
Really good.
Guys, please don't try this at home. Don't.
I just don't want it to get over.
Oh god.
Okay, I really wanted to get
Yeah, same.
I'm feeling so hot.
So it's hence proof that I have a good spice tolerance.
Harshita, we're not here to prove it to them that you have a good spice tolerance.
Proving it to myself. Okay, just cut this part off.
Oh my
I don't know why. The fan is switched off. There's no ventilation.
Yeah, why
I need the water.
I think Bams is going to finish it.
No, I have to finish it first. 2 more bites.
And I am. I think.
I'm done.
Harshika, you're not even feeling spicy. Let us.
Yeah. You're done?
I'm done. Do I
I
get
think
this?
Less Maggie.
No. I gave equal. And I think she took the most amount on. If it wasn't equal.
Y'all, I can donate it.
Guys, if you can't see, my eyes are watering.
You really need water?
Yeah.
Okay, then I won't drink it. I'll just give it to her.
It's not
I don't know why we're finishing the thing.
So let's see who wins in both of us. That Bhavs has already finished her Maggie.
I'm kind of proud of myself.
I'm done, guys.
Guys,
Can
my
I
mouth, yeah, you can.
boil some water?
My mouth is. And I'm still eating. And the fun fact that Bhavs has a lesser spice tolerance than me.
I can feel the heat right there. Oh my god. Guys, haven't you heard that like CT coming out of your ear? That's literally happening to me. Oh, I'm literally in tears.
I think it's hitting me now because now that I'm done eating it.
And I think drinking water makes it worse.
But
sometimes.
yeah.
It's reaching my head. Keith, can you finish it?
Yeah, I'm.
Harshik, please can I have some water? Oh my god, guys, this was bad.
We have to
Done,
agree
guys.
to disagree then. It was nice.
I don't know if y'all can see, my eyes are watering. And
And like we feel hot, like we're.
yeah, it was really hot and
Let's try
spicy.
this.
Y'all can. I mean, if you have.
A good spice
My
tolerance.
head's hurting
It's
now.
fun.
It's not.
It depends, you know, different
Yeah.
kind of people. Different.
But
I think Keith and I are literally dead.
yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay guys,
no.
we just finished, and because it's a spicy challenge, we are having an addition to it.
No.
I don't know why. I didn't tell you.
We're not getting into this voluntarily, but like we figured that it's gonna be.
Guys, we
fun.
are on a suicide mission.
Please watch this
So-
video till the end.
Just to see us die, I think. Now, each of us are going to tell 3 things. Only one. We're going to do it only once each. So we're going to play 2 truths and 1 lie, and the loser has to take a spoonful of Tabasco sauce. And I don't know why we're doing this again, but yes, this it is.
Also,
Okay.
guys, this game's gonna be super hard because the 3 of us know everything.
Almost everything.
everything
Yeah,
about
and
each other.
plus we just had Maggie. This.
And that part.
Okay, we begin. Harshika.
No, I'm not starting. I'll go right to
Keith
the
is starting.
Okay guys, so we had to stop the video in somewhere because my eye is in a bad state because I have to put my hand in my basically there's chili on my eye or something. But anyways, we just do this.
We
Get
just
done with
get, yeah, let's just
it. Okay, who's going
proceed.
first?
Yeah.
Okay, Bhavs is. So what are your
Okay.
statements?
So my 3 statements are: I have got 100 on 100 in my abacus. I've won a dance competition, and I have had 7 meals a day.
Whoa.
Okay.
See, the second
the
one
first-
is true for sure. I
The
feel.
third one, she's very capable of doing.
Yeah, that's what I was just going to say. She's
First
capable.
one, I don't remember.
First one,
That time you were
yeah.
small when she used to do.
Abacus.
She used to also. I don't.
I
think-
don't think she's
She's
ever.
never- Oh, school! I had a
abacus.
abacus that time. Yeah, she would have. She was a topper back then in junior school. That's the lie, I guess. Don't think so.
Both will take a shot. I think I'm gonna go with having.
7 meals a day.
You guys can decide. Both of you all have to tell individual answers.
Okay.
Stop deciding. and
Okay,
tell
you go
me.
first.
Oh, cheetah. We have to say
I'm
cheetah
telling you
one.
all the answers, like the results together. So both
Okay,
of you
okay.
can-
3, 2, 1. The
100 on
first
100.
one is a lie.
Yeah.
Both of you all take a shot. I've never had 7.
So I didn't know. We said 100. Oh.
Why would I have 7 meals a day?
It was a confusion. I meant that is the truth. 100 on 100.
Yeah, same.
Too bad. Now have. Okay, I'm gonna put it for y'all.
Bro, oh, I forgot it's
Ashika.
y'all just wanna.
Guys,
It's
Tabasco
Tabasco, something is.
Shit. Bro, her eye already has chili. I think we should. But that's it, Bhavas!
It's for her mom.
Guys, y'all can't.
I'll keep it, Baba.
Harshika, you guys lost the thing against me.
Bro, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Harshika, if you
She's adding it like it's some soup.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
And I know
3.
ice cream.
I can smell it till here, guys.
Okay,
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Have your.
Are you
Take
eating
your.
woohoo! Woohoo! Holy Lord of.
I'll just continue.
Oh god.
I've jumped from a cliff. I played snooker pool with 2 people from China, and shit,
She's forgotten.
I forgot.
The spice is hitting.
I forgot I had such a good one. Okay, I'll go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
so-
guys, Harshi's second.
I've jumped off a cliff. I accidentally made conversation with someone thinking it was some other person because I wasn't wearing my glasses. Like full conversation.
Why are we not surprised?
And then the third one is that I played pool with two people I didn't know. Like
What was the first one again? I forgot it.
I jumped off a cliff.
For me, it's the first one. She's never
For
jumped
me, it's
off
the
a cliff.
second one.
What is the second one?
Speaking to stranger.
Speaking
when
Yeah,
you're going.
that's the lie, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Tinu is right, Bhabs is wrong.
I just knew it.
Which cliff have you jumped off?
No, Cam's
Cam's-
keep jumping.
Oh god.
It's like we keep jumping.
Okay, so are you all giving it to me? or
Yeah, yeah,
not?
oh, you just wait. You all remember how much he gave us, right? She gave it to us like it's soup we were drinking.
Soup it was
You literally gave it.
Ashika shivering.
I don't want him scared. That's enough.
That's enough. Big go. Okay.
3,
2.
1.
Okay. Oh, it smells so bad.
Her spice tolerance is bad. Okay, moving forward. Let's just continue.
Okay. So my 3 statements are: I have. Okay,
You
Bhavs
can
is
drink
not
water,
ready
right?
yet.
There's
Can I drink water?
Okay, you can. Okay, then I'll state my statements. I have celebrated my birthday way in advance because I wanted to celebrate it with my best friend.
She's just.
I have chugged a whole bottle of Sprite, and I have.
I don't know what's taking us so much time.
Yeah, because I'm forgetting the truths and the lies. I am.
You are.
Okay, so I have won in a dance competition at school.
The second one's a lie.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have finished a whole bottle of Sprite.
And
Did we just finish yours? Oh, we finished it. One second. The first one was your birthday thing. Third one was school. Second one's a lie.
both of you are wrong, guys. I've never had a whole bottle of Sprite.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the lie we got.
Yay! Oh, I felt so stupid. Was it that easy, guys?
Okay, please. I'm dancing like a fool, but
Okay.
we're on a spike.
Okay, anyways, guys, it took me a lot of time to discuss. I mean, think of these questions, and this was the max I could come up. But anyways, I hope y'all had fun.
No, you still have to have it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Why am I?
Don't give us so much. Let's
I'm
be
literally dying here.
See, it's your YouTube video, and you wanted
anything for you.
She wanted to do the spice challenge, so here you go.
I don't know why this is happening again.
Because we caught you.
Okay, 3,
2,
1.
1. How's the feeling?
Yuck.
Okay, you want some water?
Yeah, please. I know that feeling. That more than the spice, that taste is too bad. Like
Yeah,
it's not
like
Tabasco
it's-
plain.
Yeah, like it's and that too when we take it in a
weird.
dish or something, it's not. It's hardly half
Yeah, it
teaspoon.
gets diffused and all of that. I mean, here it's just.
Okay, guys, I'm really not in a state to talk much, but anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed. I think we did. I mean, it was a lot of stress, but we enjoyed. It was a lot of fun, wasn't
Everyone
it?
was dying at it. It was fun for me. I truly loved and those noodles were heavenly.
Yeah, I made them. I'm a really good cook, guys.
Sorry, just ignore all my dances.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
I'm flexing. Okay, anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys next week.
Bye!